Thank you for stopping back at my channel. This is a remote place. This is the Chicago edition. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I have not been on in a while, so hopefully I'll be able to get back on at least weekly. But I had to get on today to give you guys this job. This company is called CRRC Safang America, and this company is in that Ford stamping plant area on Torrance. And this company was just awarded a $100 million contract with the Chicago Transit Authority, CTA. So I wanted to get on and let you guys know about this immediately. I will send out some more videos, but this one I'm going to make alone just so I can give you some details about the company. So it's called CRRC, Safang America. You can Google that. And then this job site should come up. You want to hit, first of all, it's a Chicago-based manufacturing of passenger rail cars. It's a subsidiary of China's CRRC Corporation Limited that built a $100 million production facility on the city's southeast side to assemble new 7,000 series rail cars for the Chicago Transit Authority. The company focuses on local hiring, sourcing many components from U.S. manufacturers, and has brought rail car manufacturing back to Chicago after a 50-year absence. So you want to click on the website. Again, the website is CRRCSIFANG America.com. This is how the website should look. Built in America by Americans for Americans. And they give you some little information here about the history of the company. Make sure you read up. Make sure this is a company you would like to support. They are creating jobs in America, and they are creating jobs on the south side of Chicago. So they create and build and manufacture 7,000 series rail cars. So scroll down. Their address is 135 South Torrance in Chicago, 60633. They have a phone number and an email address here. But what you want to do, continue to scroll down and click on jobs on the left side. Once you click on jobs, there is a informational tutorial on here, and then you can listen up on what they have to say about that. They also have the job listings here: administration, after sales, finance, IT, logistics, procurement, production, quality, and technology. The red box that says interested in applying, click on that red box. Once you click on that red box, it will give you a little more history about the company. The headquarters they specialize in rail vehicles and high-speed trains, and they're headquartered in Beijing, China. So you want to scroll down. This is how the building looks, some of the employees. But what I want to let you guys know is these jobs, a lot of them do not require a college degree. They are physically demanding jobs. So the first one is a future opening is administrative assistant receptionist. And then I want to give you guys the heads up on this one here, which is they also have a human resource generalist, somebody that works in a human resource office. And then I want to give you a heads up on logistics. Logistics, they have future openings. I'll click on this warehouse logistics worker. They have an entry level up to a tier 3. And on this position, you will be most particularly in the warehouse staff, receives, stores, distributes materials, tools, equipment, and products to production employees and others as requested. You will be receiving multiple shipments of materials per day, conducting visual inspections of materials, counting and weighing materials, coordinating and collaborating with quality assurance and quality control staff, utilizing materials, handling equipment to move materials into inventory storage locations, preparing rejected goods for return shipments to suppliers, putting together kits of materials for delivery to and used by the production department, moving materials or kits and materials from inventory to staging area, and so on and so forth. You can read up on this one. They have competencies and characteristics you should look at, and language skills, work environment, physical demands, and required education and experience. So again, they have entry level up to tier 1, 2, and tier 3. So let's go back. The other position I want to let you guys know about is the production assembly worker. This is a good one. This is entry level up to a tier 3. This instant job description relates specifically to assembly work during the production of passenger rail cars. You will be interpreting and using drawings, process, procedures, and other written documentation to prepare materials and tools and to complete assembly of components, drilling, tapping, torquing, tape, measure, sealing stainless steel components and assembling them on rail cars, installing mechanical equipment on rail cars, connecting hydraulic pipes and hoses on rail cars, bogies, operating heavy machinery, mobile equipment, and test devices to perform tests, move rail cars and heavy equipment as required, completing paperwork such as quality confirmation forms as required in process. So this is a physical demanding job. You will be assembling or helping to assemble rail cars for the CTA. The CTA has extended that rail line out to the south suburbs, so they will need to use and have more rail cars for the CTA. So again, this is an excellent opportunity as someone that can work a physically demanding job, and more than likely they're going to have different shifts, but the pay for this assembly position is $19.82 to $30.55 per hour. So make sure you check this out. The logistics position, the assembly position, for those of you that can work in the office, receptions, they also have production assembly supervisors, production coordinators, bilingual. You must know Chinese. They have a production electrical supervisor, future openings for a production manager, and a future opening for production team leads. And this is for the assembly or electrical. So make sure you check this job out. This is an excellent job that you can stay on as a career position. And it's something that you will have to look into and see if you would like to work for this company. You can call them, you can send them an email, and maybe they can give you some more information, what the shifts are, and so on and so forth. Again, this is CRRC Safang America Incorporated, and they just got awarded a contract with the Chicago Transit Authority in Chicago to help build rail cars. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and I'll get back to you guys shortly with more jobs in the Chicagoland area. Thank you again, and I hope you liked the video.